Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to blur the background of an image using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs the background to be blurred. First, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J twice. Next, select the upper layer and go to the Quick Selection tool. Click on the Select Subject icon located below the main menu, and it will automatically select the subject. Adjust the brush size according to your needs. And use the minus sign to deselect unwanted parts of the object. Use the plus sign to select the required parts of the object based on your preferences. Now, add a layer mask and select the mask while holding the Ctrl key. Now, select the middle layer, go to the Select tab on the menu bar, then choose Modify and Expand. Provide the expansion value according to your preferences and click OK. After that, go to the Edit tab on the menu bar, select Fill, and a pop-up box will appear. From the drop-down menu, choose Content Aware and click OK. Now press Ctrl+D to deselect the selection. Right-click on the layer and convert it to a smart object. Finally, go to the Filters on the menu bar, then select Blur and choose the Gaussian Blur option. Adjust the blurriness according to your preferences. And you will have blurred the background. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.